Tired of food going bad too quickly? The MEGAWISE Vacuum Sealer is here to help. With powerful 80 kilopascal suction, this machine ensures your meat, vegetables, and other perishables stay fresh up to 10 times longer. What sets this vacuum sealer apart? It features both dry and moist modes, making it perfect for all kinds of food. Use the moist mode to remove excess liquid from meats and fish for a tight seal, or the dry mode for solid items like nuts and snacks. The Vac Pulse function gives you manual control, allowing you to vacuum seal marinated meats without sucking out the juices. Plus, it comes with a vacuum hose to seal jars and wine bottles for extended freshness. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this vacuum sealer has a one-touch operation that vacuums and seals in just 10 to 20 seconds. Despite its high performance, it's compact and lightweight, taking up minimal counter space. The built-in cutter makes it easy to customize your bag sizes, and you even get 10 vacuum bags included to get started right away. Whether you're meal prepping, preserving leftovers, or keeping bulk groceries fresh, the MEGAWISE Vacuum Sealer is a must-have kitchen gadget. Get yours today. Check the link in the video description.